Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something really exciting for you. We're going to dive into some lesser known tips and tricks that can supercharge your Excel game. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Excel's Flash Fill feature can quickly fill in data based on patterns. Example: suppose you have a list of full names in one column and you want to split them into separate columns for first names and last names. Excel will recognize the pattern and suggest autofill options. Simply press Enter or Tab to accept the suggestion, and Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the first names for you. Repeat the process for the last name column. Tip number 2: Custom autofill lists. Did you know you can create custom lists for autofill in Excel? Example: let's say you frequently enter the names of the months in your spreadsheet. Instead of typing them out every time, you can create a custom autofill list. Go to File Options, Advanced, Edit Custom Lists. In the Custom Lists dialog box, enter the names of the months in the order you want them to appear each month on a new line. Click Add and then OK to save your custom list. Now, whenever you start typing the name of a month in a cell, Excel will recognize it and offer autofill suggestions based on your custom list. Tip number 3: Transpose Function. Let's say you have data arranged in rows, but you need it in columns. Select the range of data you want to transpose. In a new location, select the cell where you want the transposed data to start. Enter the formula equals transpose, range, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Excel will transpose the data from rows to columns. Tip number 4: Quick Analysis Tool. Example: suppose you have a table of sales data that you want to visualize quickly. Select the range of data you want to analyze. In the bottom right corner of the selection, click the Quick Analysis icon. Choose from the options provided, such as charts, tables, or formatting styles. Excel will generate the selected visualization or formatting automatically, saving you time and effort. Tip number 5: Data Validation with Custom Formulas. Example: let's say you have a column where users enter their ages, and you want to ensure they are above 18 years old. Select the cells where you want to apply data validation. Go to Data Validation. In the Settings tab, choose Custom from the Allow drop-down menu. In the Formula field, enter a formula like equals A218, assuming A2 is the first cell in your selection. Click OK to apply the validation rule. Now, users will only be able to enter ages greater than 18 in the specified cells.